Hi, this is Samir Pandit here with the camera with my teammate Balu Bharghav, and our project is digital door locking system. This is the microcontroller kit that we'll be using, and right now we're in the process of burning the program into the kit. This is our program for the project. So as you can see here, we're pressing the reset button just to be sure. Now it's asking for the password. What our project does is we have an administrative password and a normal password. A normal password should work fine, and if we have 3 wrong passwords, then the system will get locked. If the system gets locked, then we have to put in the administrative password, which will then unlock the system. So right now we're in the process of putting the right password to show you the output. So there we go. We have put in the right password and we get the welcome message. Now we'll reset it again so that we can go ahead and put the wrong password. So there we go. That was our first incorrect attempt. It's asking for the password again. Our second incorrect attempt. Now we can see that it says incorrect code and then system locked. So it's locked the system and it's asking now for the administrative password, and only the administrative password can unlock the system. So right now we'll be putting in the administrative password. Oops, sorry, we pressed in the wrong password. So there we go. After putting in the administrator password, now we get the welcome message again. So this is our project. This is Balu Bharghav, and this is me, Samir, with the camera. Thank you.